Hello everyone. So today is Mooncake Festival. So have you already eaten some like mooncakes? Okay, so but we still need to look at our question 10. So question 10, I think this one is the most difficult one in our week 1 and week 2. So this one, yeah, you see, on the numerator is 1 minus something plus something minus something plus something minus something plus something. So actually, if you only observe the numerator, you cannot find any hint. But now, so if no hint, let's look at the denominator. So the denominator, 10122023. Okay, so why we need to calculate so big things? So do we need to calculate it? No, I don't want to do that. What can I do? So you see, 1012, 1013, yeah, 2023, 2022. Okay, 1517, 1518. So this one, you see, this one always plus 1 will become the next number, right? So plus 2, 1517. And also 2023 minus 1, yeah, this one minus 1. And also minus 2, 1518. So what can you find? Yeah, maybe wait, plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So you can find out the sum of these two numbers is same. You see, 1012 plus 2023 is 3035. 1013 plus 2022 is also 3035. So this one, 1517 plus 1518 is also 3035. But yeah, actually I find out all the denominator plus together is 3035. But how can I use it? So maybe I think this one, maybe it's a kind of new knowledge point for you. So let's have a look. So there is a method to calculate a times b, 1 over a times b. So I called it the method of sum. Remember, we used to talk about the method of difference. It's like a times b, 1 over a times b, and we find out a, and the difference of a and b is just the 1. So now, what should I do? You see, yeah, also 1 over a times b, correct? But if I want this 3035, actually it's a plus b, correct? So it should equals to 1. So a times b over 1. And I want to something like 3035. Remember, 3035 is a kind of on the denominator. It's the sum of the two denominator numbers. So I want 1 over 3035, right? So actually this one is just 1 over a plus b. So 1 over a plus b times what? Can be 1 over a times b. So maybe you should write down like a, 1 over a, 1 over b. Because we want the numerator become a plus b, right? So the only way is that 1 over a plus 1 over b. So here's the result. Yeah, a times 1 over a times b is just equals to 1 over a plus 1 over b, bracket, and times 1 over a plus b. So let's have a check. This one, ab, this one is just a plus b times a plus b, 1 over a times a plus b equals to, yeah, this one cancel, 1 over a times b. So you see, all the a times b, we can rewrite the things on the denominator to this form. Now let's have a look again. So about the denominator, I can take all the 1 over 3035 out, and it will become 1 over 1012 plus 1 over 2023, 1013 plus 1 over 2022, and plus blah 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 plus 2, 1 over 3035 times 1 over 1517 plus 1 over 1518. Okay, you see, there's a common part, right? This part, and this part. So we can take it out. It will become 1 over 3035 and plus 1 over 1012 plus 1 over 1013 plus 2, 1 over 2023. So these things Yeah, you see 1012, 1013, 2022, 2023. So you see there is some similar part on the numerator. But this one, yeah, on the numerator is minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 4, the minus 1 over 6. So what do we want? It's all plus. Maybe what we want is just the 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus blah 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 plus 2 from 1 0 1 over 1 0 1 2 plus 1 over 1 0 1 3 plus blah 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 plus 2 1 over 2 0 2 3. Yeah, we want this one, but look at that. What's the difference now? You see it's minus 1 over 2, so we should minus 2 times 1 over 2, right? And always so minus 1 over 4. So how many 1 over 4 we should minus? Still 2 1 over 4. So actually you can write it by minus 2 times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 plus blah blah blah. What's the last one? Yeah, 1 over 2022. So actually it's 2 times 1 over 2022. Because you see, just minus this one, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 2 times 2 1 over 2. It should be minus 1 over 2. Okay, so we can rewrite the numerator like that. Also, what's the next step? Yeah, you see, 2 times this part. All the things here is a kind of even number. So even number, I can just times 2 in the bracket. It will become what? 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus blah blah plus 2 what? Yeah, 1 over 1 0 1 1. Wait, so we still have some same part before that. Yeah, so we can cancel the same part here. So it's just like that. So what's the remaining part? From 1 0 1 2 to 1 over 2 0 2 3. You see? This part and this part. It's same. So remember, we are doing the fraction. So fraction means division. Remember, A over B is just A divided by B. So about this question is just become this one cancel, this one also cancel. It's just 1 divided by 1 over 3035. So remember, 1 divided by 1 fraction is just the times the flip. You need to flip the denominator and numerator. So yeah, so the answer will become just 3035. Okay, this question is pretty hard, and I think it's a kind of challenging question in the computation. So you need to know the method of sum to separate this kind of fraction, and also try your best to find out the same part. You know, always if this is just a big fraction, we can also find some similar part and cancel. The remaining things is very easy. So yeah, this time we find out this part and this part, which is same. So need to find out, observe the fraction first, and then find what kind of transfer we can use to this fraction.